Grab your rolling pin and give it a twirl. Gingerbread time has come. Rock it and roll it and give it a whirl. It's time for gingerbread. Just smell the gingerbread. It's time for gingerbread fun.
Hello friends, I just dropped Anjali at preschool and guess what? I got a call from my husband telling that we have someone at home. So let's go check him out. But before that, I just wanted to show you we got Anjali's pictures. How cute are these little kids? Look at her. She just closed her eyes a little bit here. She always does that when she says cheese. Anyway, let's go. We have a visitor. Do you see him? Look, he's sitting there. Come say hi. There he is. And look what he got us. Elf kisses. So he is Happy the elf and he visited us last year. We had done a vlog back then. That was the first time that he visited us and today he's back. I can't wait for Adi and Anjali to come back and react to him. So since he's back now, that means we are ready to have a party. Okay. So I got this dish set from Walmart. I got it for Adi and Anjali so that they could open it during Christmas. But since we have a visitor already and since we are thinking of having a party, I am going to open this up. Cute are these small plates. When I am opening this up, I'm remembering my childhood as a young girl when I used to sit in my mom's kitchen and she used to have the vessel holder, the utensil holder that we keep after washing the vessels. So it was huge. We used to keep all the plates and glasses. It was a huge one and she used to keep it on the floor and I used to take each and every vessel, do some pretend play and keep it back while she does all her chores in the kitchen. So at that time we didn't need a lot of toys and things to play with, and even now I feel kids don't need actually a lot of toys. They need our attention and they need us to play with them. That is the biggest thing that everyone wants as a child. But look at this cute cup and saucer. Perfect for a tea party, right? So right now I'm just going to pick up Anjali from her school and the weather is so on and off nowadays. It's such a sunny day today. So let's go pick her up. Look how bright it looks. Do you want to see your picture?
Yeah.
Anjali's house il oru friend vannundu. Your favorite friend? Not Cassidy. No, not Cassidy. Another friend. You want to go see?
No.
There ഇരിക്കുന്നു ഫ്രണ്ട്. നേരെ സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ് നോക്ക്. ദേ അവിടെ. ആരാത്? അതാണ് ഹാപ്പി. Happy is happy to see you. Are you happy to see him? എന്താ ചെയ്യാൻ പോണെ നീ ഈ ചോക്ലേറ്റ്സ് വെച്ചിട്ട്? എന്താ ചെയ്യാൻ പോണെ ചോക്ലേറ്റ്സ് വെച്ചിട്ട്? Eat ചെയ്യോ എല്ലാം?
No. One.
Only one, okay. Other chocolates എന്താ ചെയ്യാ?
I will stay you.
സ്റ്റേ ചെയ്യോ?
Yeah.
ആർക്കെങ്കിലും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യോ?
Yeah.
ആർക്കാ?
അമ്മക്ക്
അമ്മ and അച്ഛ?
Yeah.
And then who else?
Happy.
How about Adi?
I am.
Adiki udko.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I can vitamin.
Adiyodu ചോദിക്കാ ഏതാ വേണ്ടത്, okay? അവിടെ ഹാപ്പിയുടെ അടുത്ത്. Don't touch him, okay? Just keep it on the side. And did you kiss it? Okay, let's have lunch. Bye, Happy. See you later. The first recipe that we're making is cheddar biscuits. And so for that I have everything laid out here. 1 cup of flour here, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I have about 1.5 cup of buttermilk, and then 3/4 cup of cheddar cheese, and also about half a cup of cube butter. So first I'm gonna mix the flour, baking powder, baking soda, sugar and salt. So I'm mixing it well, and then I'll add in this cubes of butter into that, and then using my hands I'll just crumble it into the flour mixture. Now since everything looks mixed, I'm going to add in the cheese, and then I'm going to add this buttermilk into that, and then mix it well. The biscuits are one of the kids' favorite recipes, and if you have any kids or children as guests at home, you can try this recipe out. So this mixture now looks blended well, and the oven is getting preheated at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and then once that's done we'll keep it inside. Then I'm going to scoop it up and drop it. You don't have to worry about what shape it comes as because they're just drop biscuits, so it doesn't matter. Just drop it, and whatever shape it falls as, you get the biscuits in that shape. Just let the cookies stay inside for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so next we are going to make some tea sandwiches. So for that we have cream cheese that is softened in the microwave. That's like about half cup. And then some walnuts. I made it into smaller pieces. That's about 2 tablespoons. And then I have a little bit of lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and some oregano. So we are going to mix everything together in this bowl. Lemon juice and some oregano. Then mix it well, and then what we're going to do is some bread here. I'm just going to make some shape out of it, and then I'm just going to keep it in these muffin pans to lightly toast it. So I'll just keep it in the oven for about 5 minutes. And by the way, the cookies that we made are done. It's so fresh. I really feel like tasting, but I'm just keeping it so that we can all eat it together. So I'm just resisting my temptation to eat that, but that fresh baked flavor is there. Okay, I think the bread would be already toasted. The bread has toasted a little bit so that it just stays like this in this shape. Now I'm going to spread the cream cheese over that. And then I'm going to top it up with a slice of strawberry. You can just sprinkle some oregano on top. For the next recipe, we have some white chocolate morsels. Those are like these white chocolate chips here. So I have some left over. I'm going to melt it and then we'll make something special. Okay, so this is melted and then we have these Cheerios here. So I'm just going to add this over that. And then mix it like this and sprinkle these, just put these sprinkles on top. Okay, so this is how it looks like, kind of a mini donut. And then now I'm going to keep this inside the fridge so that the white chocolate hardens a little bit and so that the sprinkles stick on that. Okay, so now lastly for some sweet sandwiches, because I had to make something sweet other than the what is that, Cheerio donuts. And so I just cut these small star shapes from these cookie cutters. Then I'm going to spread this strawberry cream cheese. Oh my god, this is Anjali's favorite. So I'll spread it. And then on the other side we have some honey. Just keep it on top of the other and you have a mini sweet bite. Okay. And then we have one extra. I think I can eat that, right? This is the bread that we got from Aldi's. I showed you the other day our Aldi grocery haul. The 12 grain bread. It's nice. Okay, so anyway, the party preparation is done and now we just have to wait and do the party. Ready for the party?
Gingerbread, rock. Gingerbread rhymes for gingerbread times. Shake it and bake it, it's holiday fun. Now that gingerbread time has come. Gingerbread for gingerbread times. Shaking and making holiday.
You want some tea?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Do you want some tea?
Yeah, yes, please.
Do you want some donuts?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay, keep it on your plate. Pick one. Keep it on your plate.
Can we eat it? Can you make it?
Yeah.
I'll
ആദ്യം അവിടെ ഉണ്ട് ആദ്യം
eat this one. Yeah. Let's try that thing out. Nom 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 nom. That's very good. Good. Shall we eat it? Shall we eat it too? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's honey sandwich.
Cool. Thank you. He's happy. Yeah. Tomorrow even 10 tomorrow where something. LC party. My favorite is tomorrow. Every night tomorrow. Tomorrow even I like it. Tomorrow where place it can be house. Where? Yeah, we have to find the we should make a master. We should master on me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please click on the bell icon and bye. Have a nice nice day. Have a nice day and a bye now. Huh?